Introduction to Boomerang for Gmail.
Boomerang for Gmail is an add-on designed to enhance your email productivity. By allowing you to schedule emails and set automatic reminders, Boomerang helps ensure important messages never fall through the cracks. With its user-friendly features, you can improve your response rates and manage follow-ups efficiently, making email communication more effective than ever.
Scheduling emails to arrive later.
With Boomerang, you can compose an email now and schedule it to be sent at the perfect time. Simply click the Send Later button. Choose your preferred date and time, and Boomerang takes care of the rest. This feature is great for reaching recipients when they're most likely to respond, boosting your chances of getting timely replies.
Setting follow-up reminders.
Boomerang allows you to set reminders if you don't receive a response to an important email. When composing your message, select the Remind Me If No Reply option and pick a time frame. If no one replies, Boomerang brings the conversation back to your inbox, so you don't forget to follow up and keep communication moving forward.
Inbox Pause for focused work.
The Inbox Pause feature lets you temporarily stop incoming emails, helping you focus on tasks without constant distractions. You choose when paused emails arrive, and you can set exceptions for urgent contacts. This helps you give your full attention to follow-ups or other pressing tasks, leading to faster response rates and improved productivity.
Tracking responses and using insights.
Boomerang offers tools like read receipts and response tracking, giving you insights into when your email was opened and whether someone has replied. These analytics help you understand recipient behavior, so you can adjust follow-up strategies and improve your overall email response rates with smarter scheduling and reminders.
Making the most of Boomerang.
By leveraging features like email scheduling, automatic reminders, inbox pause, and response tracking, Boomerang for Gmail can greatly improve your ability to manage emails and get quicker replies. Try integrating Boomerang into your daily routine for more organized, effective, and stress-free email communication.